If you want to take a screenshot without buttons on Redmi 15, then we have a couple of ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, swipe down on your screen with 3 fingers, so something like this, in order to capture a full screenshot. Besides that, you can also press and hold 3 fingers under the screen, anywhere on the screen, in order to then select the area that should be captured, so you have a partial or selective screenshot. If these two, or if one of them gestures do not work, then you can check out settings, scroll down and open additional settings, then over here go to gesture shortcuts, and here we have take a screenshot, and this is the option that allows you to turn on or off this gesture for swiping down. And over here we have partial screenshot where we can press and hold with 3 fingers and also can be toggled. Besides that, if you want to capture a screenshot without using buttons on Redmi 15, you can also go to Control Center. And over here we have this button. Well, it can be actually positioned in a different place, but essentially you are looking for this button over here with scissors. And this is also a button that allows you to capture a full screenshot. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.